Always record your interviews. If you are working at a big company, you always want to record a candidate during your interviews. Don't believe me? Well, this story may change your mind. I've conducted over 100 software engineering interviews over my years as a software engineer at big tech and running my own software consulting firm, Product Coding, and I have never seen something like this happen before. So, what happened? Well, we were looking for a senior software engineering candidate, and we were having a difficult time finding one until one candidate came along that blew our socks off. I was conducting the lead coding interview, essentially a DSA structured interview, and this candidate killed it. He went above and beyond what I normally ask, and I even stretched it to include some leak code hards, crushed them. I was very impressed with him. He also went on to ace the front end coding portion of this test as well. So we fast tracked him to an offer. The candidate gladly accepted, and we were ecstatic bringing him on our team. So day comes to onboard him, and something's off. In the call, everyone has their camera on, but the candidate's camera is missing. It's off. We don't see anything. And that's peculiar because this is a call where you're really meeting the team that you're going to be working with. People want to know what you look like. So after about 10 minutes of going over access, going over things to look forward to and all that, yada yada of onboarding day one, we asked the candidate to upload his camera, and we were met with, things telling, oh, it's not working, oh, all these objections. But he eventually turns it on, and Lord and behold, we see a different person impersonating the candidate that we hired. This scheme was ingenious. Essentially, what they do is they have one person who's very skilled and very much capable of passing these interviews. And when the day of hire comes, they switch to using that person's actual identity. So it's a case of the old switcheroo, and it's a case of that false identity. You know, Impersonation is insane. I have never seen this happen before. So safe to say, we quickly fired this candidate and removed all his access. But have it not been for us having the interviewers who interviewed him on that call, we never would have identified this. That's why it's always important to video record a candidate, just because something like this could happen to you. And at larger companies, a lot of the time, the person that's conducting your interview, you don't come in contact with them again. So very easily, this person could slip through the cracks. Watch out, beware, be vigilant, and never stop coding.